Summit, what action will be taken against the members of parliament who are in Azimio, but what I can assure you that all members of parliament have been mobilized to vote against this bill.
And in any event, in any event, Azimio is not in the habit of threatening members of parliament. And after this budget, which is clearly anti-people, Azimio will be busy taking the next steps. We are reminding Kenyans this budget will hurt them where it matters most: food, medicine, fuel, cost of living, and many more, as has been outlined. We are reminding Kenyans they are not helpless. The Constitution gives you sovereignty. Let us wait, and if the voices of the people are not heard, people must exercise their sovereignty. As a person from Mount Kenya, I have a message to William Ruto. Following his utterances calling our youth Mungiki yesterday, I want to remind him that these are the same youth he requested for votes from, calling them hustlers. I want to remind him these are the same youths he instructed his lieutenants to use a section of unemployed youth from Mount Kenya for criminal activities, raiding the farm of the Kenyatta family, also causing mayhem in Kibera and other places during the demonstrations. Azimio has not used our youth from Mount Kenya or from any other place for criminal activities. Stop profiling youth from Mount Kenya. This is meant to curtail any political activity in Mount Kenya. It is meant to cow us as leaders from Mount Kenya and maybe make us afraid of mobilizing. We want to tell you that constitution you opposed is the constitution of Kenya today. We will exercise our rights. We will go to Mount Kenya to discuss the budget like we will go to all other places in Kenya. You will not curtail our rights. And do not tell people of Mount Kenya or any Azimio principle like Wajakoya that he cannot visit Mount Kenya. Mount Kenya is Kenya. We are going to visit every part of this country, and you will not start zoning off places. That is the message, but Kenyans not to forget, our fate is in our hands. Let us join together and fight this killer budget.
Asante sana. Sisi kutoka Mount Kenya tuna huzuni kidogo.